Good evening and welcome. And what a glorious evening it is. One that celebrates life and love. Tonight they also celebrate the love that you, their friends and family have given them through the years, for which they are eternally grateful. And it means so very much to them that you have come from near and far to be with them tonight.
For a very long time, and for a very long time I've known that she would make an amazing wife. She takes joy in taking care of others. She finds happiness in the smallest of things, and it really rubs off on you.
Kim's the most kind-hearted and considerate woman that I've ever met. She's a world-class nurse, and she truly lives and breathes her values. So I know my parents aren't worried at all. As a matter of fact, last night at dinner, they thanked Patty and Bill for raising such a wonderful lady, and I couldn't agree more.
Hi.
Wow. You look great.
Thank you.
Marriage for you, Kim, is the ultimate partnership. It is a vow to always be selfless and work together, support one another, and to love each other unconditionally. It is not only a physical, but an emotional commitment to help each other grow and become the best versions of each other you can be.
I have always been protective of Kim. I remember meeting Davor for the first time at our friend Austin's wedding. Immediately, I knew she had finally found someone deserving of her. He had it all. He was charming, he was attentive, and he put her first. Davor is a do it big and do it right kind of guy. And that is the kind of person that my best friend deserves.
Oh my God. Wow, baby.
Don't kiss me.
Wow.
You look so handsome. I love your flowers.
Is this where you want me to cry?
Yes.
No.
Is it happening?
No, it's not.
Oh, you stink.
You look incredible.
Thank you.
You're the best bride I've ever seen.
Aww.
Davor, marriage means many things to you. It is the ultimate promise to respect, love, and support and be loyal to your partner. It is a vow to be implicitly honest with one another, but perhaps most importantly, it means that two people choose to be a family.
Davor is always positive, always trying to look at things the right way. He's helpful. I'm sure you guys would agree that growing up alone can be challenging and difficult, but my brother, he's been always there for me when I needed him. He's truly my shining light at the end of the tunnel, my guiding star, my engine that keeps me going, even when I stall out. I love stalling out. My brother's one cool cat, which is probably why Kim likes him so much.
Kimmy, you're no longer physically a little girl, but in heart, you will always be my baby girl. I'm so proud of the woman that you've grown into and that you have all accomplished. Your kindness and compassion is overwhelming. Over the years, we've been on many adventures together, and we share so many memories. But our walk today is by far my most favorite, and always will be. Love constantly, choose slowly, forgive quickly, share everything, and be each other's friend.
Your marriage always bring joy to one another and blessings to your family for many generations to come. May you flow together in wisdom and love, and that your marriage remain strong. May love and laughter fill your hearts and your home for all the days of your lives. May you face every challenge hand in hand and side by side, knowing that with faith you will conquer all obstacles. May the world be forever a better place because the two of you fell in love.
To Kim and her third cat. My handsome brother, Davor. Individually, you guys are both great people, but together you make us all better. Salute!
Kim and Davor, you have sealed your solemn vows before God and honored friends and family. You have sealed your hearts to one another, and you've exchanged rings to seal the deal. So now it's time to seal it all with a kiss. Davor, you may now kiss your wife.